Hey everyone, Dan here from VideoRemix. I'm going to walk you through the entire Go platform, help you understand everything that is included so you can communicate it to your leads and potential buyers. When you log in after a purchase, this is what users will see. There's three options based on how you'd like to start creating a video. First, you can choose from a template here. If you have access to OTO1, if they purchase OTO1, they'll have access to the template generator. Otherwise, that'll be grayed out. Or you can import your own video, which would be either via URL or upload it from your desktop. I'll walk you through all of those. Let's start with the templates. So I click here on the templates. This loads up our front-end templates. There are 22 front-end templates. We've chosen some of the most popular niches here for these templates. Hoping to make it as easy as possible for your customers to go out and start selling their services and landing clients, making money. When you hover over the templates, you'll see you can either preview or use the templates. When you hit preview, it opens up this shadow box. It takes a quick second to load the personalization layers, and then you can just preview it right there. I see my name and my Facebook photo right there, and it just goes on through the entire template. You can X out of that, and let's go ahead and just use this travel agent template. Once I click use, it loads it all up into our editor. With all of our templates and videos in Go, the format is as follows. You'll see across the bottom of the screen here, there are four editable moments. We think of them as three editable moments and then a call to action at the end of the video. We've optimized this for creating quick and high impact, short marketing messages. And so we have, usually some sort of question, some sort of value proposition, some sort of problem, and then a solution, and then a call to action to get users to click through, to book an appointment, to whatever would work for the business and the niche that we're targeting here. The way the web editor works, it's very much what you see is what you get. You can click and edit any of the text just by clicking on it. You can change fonts, those kinds of things, change colors, add background colors, all of this just across the top here. I'm not going to dig into that too much because it's pretty straightforward. So this is just in the first moment here. You can see this this represents the image, which, as we saw in the preview, that was my Facebook image. That's a personalized image. This is the first name personalization token here between the brackets, and then here is the text. If I want to, as you can see, I can move this around if I'd like. This has this nice space on the left-hand side where the text is kind of designed to go. You don't need to worry about resizing the text. The text in the templates is all automatically resized for you, and I'll show you in the template generator. It's a little bit different. So I can click through, edit any of the text that I'd like to in the template here in these moments across the bottom. And then here at the end, we have our CTA right there. So, and then when you click on a URL, you'll see the URL right here. Right now it has VideoRemix.io as the URL, but you could, just using the keyboard, select that. It's a little bit dizzying moving in and out like that, but you can send this to any website, http://google.com, if you'd like. Any website that you'd like for the end customer. You can change any of this text if you'd like as well. So it's super simple. You can preview any of those changes by hitting the preview button, which again opens up a light box that will then show you the poster frame right there, and then your template. You can see the personalization isn't showing in the preview just to make it faster, but you can see your name. My name is replaced with the words your name there all the way through. And if I click on this right here, it's going to open up google.com. So you can see how that works. Super simple. I'm going to X out of that. When you want to publish and share, you just hit publish. It automatically saves your project. And then you just get to choose. The main choice here is how you want to deliver the personalization data, whether you get that through a Facebook authentication, as you'll have seen on the JV page and our sales pages, where you have to click to authenticate and give permission for us to access your Facebook information, or you can do it through an email campaign where you would be emailing your list with a link that would borrow the merge tags from your email service provider and use that for personalization. So there's tons of options with both of those, but Facebook is really the simplest. I'll demonstrate that here. All projects are hosted in the cloud. You'll see this URL, which is the cloud location. I'm going to copy that right now and paste that right here, and it opens it in a new tab. I guess that's probably off screen right there. I pasted it right there, and it opened it up right there. So you can see how that works. If you'd like to embed it on a website, you can do that there. Here you would click your Facebook options. Similarly, if you wanted to go through the email options, this would be where you set up your merge tags with your email. By default, these right here, just to exit out of this, by default, this is going to be Facebook authentication ready for you. So let me just demonstrate that quickly. I'm going to grab that. I'm going to open a new incognito window here, paste that in here, and you'll see that's going to prompt me to connect with Facebook in order to grab that personalization. So that's how you publish. That's that's the whole process. I'm going to just keep moving here because I want to make sure this is as short as possible. So that is starting from a template. To use the template generator, if people have purchased OTO1, you'll have access to a library of footage. Here we'll have we have more than 400 clips, so it'll be over 500 by the time we launch. We're going to be adding, it's not quite live yet, but a keyword search right there. You can choose any of these, just a similar way. You can preview by clicking there. Excuse those ones, that has to do with a plugin. Let me remove that plugin. That will take away all of those. Okay, there we go. So you can preview this here. There we go. And if I'd like to use that footage, I'll go ahead and click use. So the OTO1 comes with those 500 plus videos and then 70 plus niche scripts. So what the process is, you choose your base video, then you choose the script that you'd like to put on top of it. So here, let's say I want to use the gym script because this is a video of a person running. So what it then does is it takes that background video, combines it with this script, which I'll show you in just a moment, and it just puts them together for you. So it just makes it super fast to create an infinite number of projects. That's why I'm super excited about this template generator as opposed to a template club where you just get a set of templates that you just kind of have to work with. The generator is a subscription to libraries of resources, which I think will just be really sticky. I think users are going to really love this. It allows them to create as many templates as they would like. It's totally unlimited. So this is preparing the project. I'm not totally sure why it's taking so long. It may be my internet connection. I'm just going to try that again since it's kind of stalled on me for a moment. So selected that same base video. I'm going to use the gym script here. There we go. It should just take a fast second like that. We'll look into why that was taking longer. So here we'll have some background color that'll be default. We just haven't implemented that. So it'll look more, we'll probably do a red background by default with a white text just so it matches our player a little bit, but of course all of this is, or our editor rather, all of this is totally customizable. So you can see that the text here is all editable. You can click through the 4 moments at the bottom here. This is going to look much better when we're live. You can see that for some reason it made my text really small. This will be much cleaner by the time we are live on the 5th. So this is the way the template generator works. Again, it allows users to create an infinite number of templates. So you have the video, you have the captions, and if you want to add an audio track, we have 50-something audio tracks that will be in this pane here. You'll be able to listen by previewing them and choose them by clicking use. And so then that is how that works. Something else you can do here is if you'd like to replace or change your niche script, you'll have access to that on the right-hand side here, where you're able to just click and see our list of niche scripts again here. So if you wanted to change from a gym to something different, you would just select that here and it would replace all of the text with that niche script. So that gives you an idea. Again, we're going to make it look way nicer when it's, by the time it's live, some of it is still in process there. OTO2 is our call to action library. So let me just demonstrate how that works here. Again, the moments at the bottom, we have 3 moments, and then the last one is really where our call to action lies. When you use one of our call to action library features, it opens up a pane with our call to actions here, and then it replaces that last moment with a designed call to action for you. So let's go ahead and just select this one here. And so by default it says visit our showroom, but you can change that to anything that you would like. So what it does is just allow you to have like a really nicely designed moment at the end of the video. So if this was, you know, for a gym, we could say visit our gym, and then we could put our link here, both the in text as well as the live URL, which would be, you know, let's say Gold's Gym, and then you would put the URL for it right there. You understand how that works. And then the same process is just by publish and share, preview, all of that is how you finish that up. So I'm not going to bother going through all of that again because we've already done that. So let me go back one more time and just demonstrate the upload feature. So here we have the 3 choices from a template, the template generator, and then you can import your own video. So we can either click or drag a file here to start uploading it, so you can do something from your desktop, or you can do a URL. Let me demonstrate the URL. I'm just going to go to YouTube here and find a URL. Let's grab like Casey Neistat. We'll grab one of his vlog videos here and put that in here. You know, you'd want to have something you have rights to use in an advertising message. So you'd search for Creative Commons, but that's, you know, I'm just showing you quickly just how versatile it is. So you can upload up to 60 seconds. We recommend shorter. So you can use these little playheads to select which portions of the video you want to utilize in the template. So I'll just select those somewhat at random, and you can see here it's taken Casey's video and then it's grabbed those 4 moments and then the call to action at the end. You can see he had some text in his video already, so it made it a little bit confusing looking, but you get the idea. I'm going to add some background to this just so that it's a little bit more visible. There you go. That's the first position, meaning the first moment of the video. The second position is here. I'm just going to add some background there as well to make it more visible. And then the third here. So this is how you would upload or import a video and then customize it to your liking. So that's most of everything that we have to show you. Personalizer, I guess that's the final piece. So if you want to add layers of personalization, you just click that to add that in. So if I wanted to personalize any of this text here, I would just hit that personalizer button and it would add in those merge tags, allow me to personalize geolocation, first name, last name, email, name, gender, custom. So if you have any data in a CRM, you can utilize that via the custom feature there. Hopefully that summarizes most of what you need to know. This video has been longer than I intended, but there's just lots to show here. Thanks so much for being a part of this launch. If you have any questions, reach out to myself or Simon on Skype. We'll see you soon.